Okay, today we're going to look at the command line basics. So to do that, I'm going to open up. First, I'm going to type in CMD in my search bar to look for command prompt. And if I could not have found command prompt with just writing CMD, I would have written the whole thing. Okay, so first let's open up the command prompt. Okay, it's opened here. Now I want to see the directory, the current directory. So to find the current directory, I'm just going to type in CD. So the way I try to memorize it is that C is for current and D is for directory, so it's current directory, right? So then hit enter, and then it is showing the current directory, which is in C drive users, and then a folder that has my name on it. Okay, so if I right now wanted to see what is inside this directory, right, the subfolders. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to type in dir. Okay, so now how I memorize it is dir is for directory, the contents of directory. So I just memorize it like dir. I don't have anything smart to memorize it with. Okay, so these are the things, these are the folders inside the particular folder, the directory folder. So we can see a lot of things here. There's desktop, documents, downloads, etc., etc. So now if I wanted to change my current directory to one of the subfolders, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in cd current directory, then give it a space, and then I'm going to type in the name of the folder I want the current directory to be. So instead of writing the whole thing, what I can do is, suppose if I want a folder that is the downloads folder, I'm just going to put in a capital D. There we go. Now I'm going to press on the tab key of my keyboard. Now I have desktop. Now again I'm going to press on the tab key of my keyboard. I have documents again. Now I have downloads. So if I press on the tab key again, you'll see it will go back to desktop, documents, and downloads, because there are only 3 files with the letter starting letter as D. Okay, so that is what is happening here. Now I have selected downloads. I'm going to hit enter. So my current directory is right now the downloads folder. So to check that, I'm just going to type in cd and then enter. So you can see that right now my current directory is the downloads folder. So if I wanted to revert back to my original directory, what I'm going to do is type in cd, give it a space, and then 2 dots, and then hit enter. As you can see, the directory has changed back to what it was. Now the thing is, there is a lot of writing on my screen, so I do not want to look at a lot of writing, right? So to clear screen, we're going to use a command that is cls. So we write in cls. The way I remember it is cl is for clean and s is for screen. So clean screen, that is how I remember it, cls. Now I'm going to hit enter, and as you can see, the screen has been cleared. Now let's take a look at the current directory once again. cd enter, and you can see that the current directory is what it used to be in the beginning. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.